The sun is rising slowly, kissing the hills with gold. Those rodeo memories under those lights, we felt right at home. Yeah, she loved the rodeo like me. I roped her heart's racing for me. I held her tight and we felt so free. She loved the rodeo and me. I thought about walking away from this place and leaving behind those echoes of love. Maybe one day we'll find a way into each other's arms again. We spend the night under those lights, watch them ride again, yeah. She loved the rodeo like me. I roped her heart's racing for me. I held her tight and we felt so free. Loved the rodeo and me. Loved the rodeo like me. I roped her heart's racing for me. I held her tight and we felt so free. She loved the rodeo and me. Her heart is racing just for me. She loved the rodeo and me. She loved the rodeo and me. You rolled in, smoking out my summer night. Got my mind spinning like some Chevy tires. Tiny waist, lips were laced with cherry wine. I bet you're trouble with that flirty little southern smile. Girl, you said you got a Tennessee wild side. Stick of dynamite blowing my mind by. The way you grow under the bar lights late night, body blazing in a tank top, damn right the flames spread. Crazy hippie red hot, baby burn the last call. Rolling round the fireball, rolling round the fireball. Came to chill, but you were melting with the way you move. Taking pretty cookies, you got me high on you. That kind of hip that you got me